got graham crackers in her diaper bag.
Right, but I talked her into coming to walk with me.
So get her to walk back to her diaper bag.
Get her back. Get her. Make her stand up. Get her walk in here.
Here.
Hey,
Lucy.
Stand
up, you heffalump.
Come here, girl.
You think it's funny? Come in here. Turn her around. Get her to come in here.
Cookies? Come on. Come with me.
Lucy, come here.
Come with me.
Come to mama.
Come on.
Oh.
Good
Yeah, that's
job.
your footing right there.
Come here, Boo Boo.
Einstein,
Try it again.
come here.
Let's try it again.
Come here. You gonna come get Einstein? Ow.
Come on.
Hello. Look at you. Come here.
Good girl.
Look at you. Einstein.
Come here, Einstein.
Come
Sit
here.
down.
Come see mommy.
There you
Come
go.
see mommy. Come here.
We talked about how hard that was. That wasn't hard at all.
All right, Dee.
Yay!
Can you get that up and email it to me? Because I would love to send that to James.
That was
You
so
don't know how
freaking
much that would
awesome.
mean to him.
That was too